beautifulness. It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
So beautiful.
Yes, beautiful.
I'm eating a Twizzlers with a spoon.
Look at this beautifulness. Here, I'm going to show you my partners who did the thing. With this man. There's that guy. And me. So, and that guy. Trying to cover. Oh, gotcha. Okay. So, this. We use the Twizzlers. This jam. That. This is dead now. My ice cream, which is gone, and for some reason has. What? What? We had gummy bears. We had gummy bears.
It had.
They were in there. They're all dead now. Crunched up Oreos, Pop Rocks.
We should have got cups.
And spoons, gloves. Yeah.
It probably would be better like
Show my face.
than not spoons.
Okay, so it's a piece. Okay, bye.